I am Shifali Maheshwari and you are watching Rhythm. Borders define nations, laws define order, and security defines the future. But when lines are crossed illegally, does compassion override consequences? Or should sovereignty take the front seat? While powerful nations grapple with its dilemma, India too must ask, how long before this becomes our fight? Illegal immigration has been a contentious issue worldwide, and in the United States, it has reached a boiling point. Recent crackdowns, tightened visa norms, and debates over border control have put immigration policies under a global spotlight. But what exactly is illegal immigration? It refers to individuals entering or residing in a country without legal authorization, bypassing regulations and often overwhelming public resources. US President Donald Trump, during his re-election campaign, has reignited his strict immigration agenda, proposing large-scale deportations that could see a significant number of undocumented migrants, including many Indians, forced to leave the country. With over 725,000 undocumented Indian nationals in the US, the policy shift raises serious concerns. The US has been facing a surge in illegal crossing, especially along its southern border with Mexico. The Biden administration has struggled to balance humanitarian concerns with national security. According to US Customs and Border Protection, in 2023 alone, over 2.4 million illegal crossings were recorded, an alarming figure. Measures such as stricter deportation policies and enhanced border surveillance have been proposed, but challenges persist. However, what makes this debate more interesting is that while the US is firm on curbing illegal immigration, it remains open to skilled foreign workers. The H-1B visa program, primarily availed by Indian professionals in IT and engineering, continues to see modifications. The recent discussion in Washington suggests tighter scrutiny but increased work opportunities for skilled migrants, highlighting the US selective approach, strict for some, welcoming for others. Now let's bring this discussion closer to home. India too has been grappling with illegal immigration for decades. The influx of Rohingya refugees from Myanmar, the persistent issue of Bangladeshi infiltrators, and the concerns over the national security have sparked repeated debates. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has been vocal about implementing NRC, National Register of Citizens, across the country to identify and deport illegal immigrants. In fact, India's Ministry of External Affairs has also spoken on the matter. While standing firm on the need for humanitarian aid, the MEA has stressed that immigration must be orderly, legal, and aligned with national interests. The Citizenship Amendment Act was a step in this direction, ensuring that persecuted minorities from neighboring countries are provided legal refuge, but infiltrators with questionable backgrounds to exploit India's resources. So, the bigger question is, should India take inspiration from the US and impose stricter immigration policies? The US is actively defending its borders, focusing on security while maintaining economic priorities. Shouldn't India do the same? Illegal immigration is not just about crossing borders. It impacts jobs, law enforcement, social harmony, and national security. If the US can deploy stricter mechanisms, why shouldn't India follow suit? Jai Hind.